Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Welcome to Mama Loop channel. I am making banana bars. Let's make them. Half cup butter, room temperature. Add 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add 1 large egg, room temperature. Add half cup sugar or to taste. Add pinch of salt. Mix together until the mixture becomes lighter in color. Add 1/4 cup full cream powder milk. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix until combined. Add the 3 large mashed overripe bananas to the flour until they are fully incorporated. Add half cup roasted crushed walnut. Add 1/4 cup raisins. Fold gently until just combined. Line a baking dish with parchment paper, spray with cooking spray. Pour the batter into the pan. Tap. Sprinkle 1/4 cup butterscotch chips or chips of your choice over the batter. Sprinkle some walnuts. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 33 to 37 minutes until the center is baked through. Let it cool. Cut into squares. Remove the bars from the pan. You can store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.